After the back and forth between the U.S. and China on trade, one industry is fighting back on the tariffs. Tennis. Eric Chemi explains from the U.S. Open in Flushing. Eric?
That's right, Leslie. It's a beautiful day here in Queens at the U.S. Open. And yes, this trade war, the tariff war, U.S. and China, it has been getting a lot of attention. We're talking about major companies, billions of dollars in market cap moving around. But the tennis industry is also affected. September 1, there's going to be a 15% tariff on tennis balls. The biggest company that's going to get hurt here, Penn tennis balls. They're owned by Head. They make millions of balls every year. Their factories in China. So they're going to have to figure out either to pass those costs along or move to another facility. But consider Wilson tennis balls. This pack of balls right here, it was made in Thailand because some of these other competitors, they've got factories in other Southeast Asian countries. They're not dependent on China. They're going to get the advantage on that. So that's something the tennis industry is watching. Tennis Industry Association President Jeff Williams, he's been lobbying against Congress. He's been saying, look, this was not the intent of the trade war, was to impact tennis gear. And that this is a $6 billion industry. 18 million people play tennis every year. It affects 100,000 workers that are somehow involved in the tennis industry. And he says, look, can we get an exemption on the balls and the rackets? December 15th is another 15% on tennis rackets. So that's something to watch. And it's just going to be really interesting to see what happens. Tennis is an industry. They also care about what happens with the tariffs. Back to you guys.